Welcome to Car Bike Review, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of motorcycles. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Triumph Speed Twin, a modern classic that blends vintage charm with impressive performance upgrades. Design and styling. The 2025 Speed Twin continues its iconic retro-inspired design, now refined with sharper lines and premium detailing. The tank shape remains muscular, the dual-tone paint options look richer, and brushed metal accents give the bike a premium aesthetic. Triumph has preserved the classic stance while making subtle improvements that enhance overall road presence. Engine and performance. Powering the 2025 Speed Twin is the latest iteration of Triumph's 1,200 cubic centimeters high-power parallel twin engine. It offers smoother throttle response, stronger mid-range torque, and improved efficiency. The engine tuning provides a spirited riding experience, making it equally thrilling for daily rides and spirited highway runs. Handling and comfort. Triumph has focused heavily on ride quality and stability. The updated suspension setup ensures a more controlled ride, while lightweight alloy wheels improve agility. The rider triangle remains relaxed, offering comfort during long rides without sacrificing sporty handling characteristics. Features and technology. The 2025 model comes with enhanced electronics, including multiple ride modes, improved traction control, and advanced ABS. A new digital analog instrument cluster combines modern features with classic appeal. LED lighting around the bike adds to safety and style, making it a well-rounded modern classic. Price and final thoughts. The 2025 Triumph Speed Twin positions itself as a premium performance classic with meaningful upgrades in performance, styling, and technology. It remains a top choice for riders who want a blend of retro aesthetics and modern engineering.